Hello, dear students. Let us have our understanding on VED analysis. So, in inventory management techniques, to have an effective working capital management, okay, so this is VED technique is one among them. We have already JIT, so ABC analysis, and VED is one among them. So what is this VED analysis and its implementation methods and benefits and challenges? All these things we are going to discuss now. So introduction is, so yes, this is a technique, very important technique used in inventory management, and that too to categorize items, okay, based on their importance, right? We know there are certain items that is we have to give more importance and meet moderately important materials and then least important materials. So by means of doing all these things, we can maintain, optimum stock levels, that is not too high and not too low. Okay. And next is importance, in the sense like we are just prioritize our inventories based on their necessity. Okay. By means of doing that, stockouts can be reduced. Okay, so there is not any case that you're not having enough stocks, so that problem will not be no happen. And next is what objectives, in the sense, yes, of course, it is to enhance inventory control, major thing, and to optimize procurement strategies, the next part. Okay, so components is vital, essential, and desirable. Obviously, vital items or daily functioning of the organization. Okay, so where unavailability can significantly disrupt operations and result in financial losses. Unavailability in the sense stockouts. If you're not having enough stocks, that we can say as unavailability. Obviously, what will happen? You need to face financial losses. Your operation process, the manufacturing process, that you have certain difficulties, struggles. Okay, and essential items, in the sense, so are more important but not critical. Okay, where it basically supports operations and to give better performance. Okay, so and desirable items, in the sense where these are all the items literally it adds value or to improve efficiency, but are not crucial to the core functions. Okay, so they are just categorizing items as vital items, essential items, and desirable items. Okay, so implementing VED analysis, in the sense, first step, data collection and classification. Next is assigning some VED categories. See here, you can collect proper or relevant data related to your items, okay, or services, whatever that you're doing. And next is VED categories, in the sense like, yes, we're just doing certain classifications. These are all the items related to vital, and this is what essential, this is what desirable. You're just categorizing for doing proper resource allocation. And tools and techniques, again, software solutions, again, manual methods. Yes, basically there are only two major things that you can do, right? Okay, either by doing uh, moving through software part and all, okay, by means of doing all automation data, all these things, and manually also you can work through Excel sheets. Okay, and you just categorize, you can just list and analyze data, all these things you can do. And next, benefits and challenges, like it leads to categorize inventory effectively. That is the major thing, right? You can just categorize your items, stocks, materials, goods, whatever. You can just give some proper prioritization, okay, where that literally leads to efficient stock control and minimizes, your excess control inventories. And stock reduction is another different strategy. Okay, so you know cost reduction, in the sense, the wastage cost or carrying cost, what are all the costs that we need to face inside the warehouse, inside the organization, inside the business, all kind of cost that you can neglect. Challenges, yes, data accuracy, accurately, if you want to find the data, it's difficult, and its reliability to identify that too is difficult, and resistance to change in organizations. Okay, Same like in ABC analysis, these are all the challenges, these are all the benefits, these are all the merits and demerits. So thing is like resistance to change in organizations. Yes, so many things will happen inside the business. Okay, some existing process may happen, some new technologies will arise. Okay, so change management strategies is what very, very, very essential to overcome all these resistance and ensure successful implementation. Of course, it is difficult, and once if we do that process, probably that leads to a huge benefit. So, thank you all.